how to fix WIX mobile background video not playing. So right here from your WIX website, you want to click on this edit site right here at the top right of your screen and go to your website editor. And then right here on website editor, you want to click on the mobile view right here at the top of the WIX. And then as you can see, if I click on preview, you can see that my video was not autoplay. And then to solve it, you want to go back to editor. And then on editor, you want to click on the video itself. Click again on the video. And then you want to go to your settings right here. And then on the playback options, you want to make sure that autoplays and plays in loop is turned on. There you go. And then again, click on preview. As you can see, the video is autoplay. And one more quick tips, if your phone is on low power mode in your iPhone or on data saver in your Android, the video won't play itself like auto right here. And to do it, you want to turn off your low power mode on your iPhone or data saver on your Android. And on your Windows, you want to go to your settings and then in the settings, you want to search for show animations, and then you want to enable viewing animations in Windows. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.